Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold and USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 25th to 29th August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So first let's see what happened in gold on Friday. So as you can see, 0.99% positive move. 3371.43 was the closing on Friday. So here, what are my expectations for coming week? Also, I'll be sharing some important support zone and resistance zone for coming week that will help you to take better SL and target. And also, I'll be sharing my opinion according to my analysis and bias, and also according to the previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first in the gold pair. So let's open our weekly chart. So as you can see, this is a weekly chart and we can see a closing of around 3371.43. We can see a candle or bullish candle with a good big body and a big lower wick with a small upper wick. Here a stochastic RSI is around or below 20 level, that is a oversold level, which indicates as a upside move, which indicates as a upside move in coming days. But remember, as we always say, we should not always rely or depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. As you can see, there are some important support zone and resistance zone are already marked when we have analyzed it on a previous week video. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and also click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So now let's see here the closing. As we can see, there is no different data in this week, so we don't need to do any changes in a marking. Let's talk about a closing. Here 3371.43 was the closing. Direct support is 3350. Direct resistance is 3375. After direct support, there is a support of 3327 and then 3300. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 3403 and then 3425. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to make better decision for your SL and target. So do mark on your charts as well. So currently, if you are from India and looking for or thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code that will help you to get some discount on your one step and two step accounts. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared one payout request withdrawal, live withdrawal, that I have shared with you. You can also check that video as well on a Forex playlist. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold pair for this week. So currently, my expectation in gold is a bit negative, but in a sideways move, that is around in this range 3350 to 3375. This is a no trading zone. I'm expecting a closing in this range and a negative closing in this range. So for me, currently this week would be a sideways move in gold. If you are looking for any long trades, then only go for long trade when 3375 gets breached and a one day candle gets closed above this level, then we can see a move till 3403. But if you're looking for a short trade, then only look for short trade when 3350 gets breached and a one day candle gets closed below it, then we can go for a 3327 level target. But until unless these levels are safe, that is 3350 and 3375, we don't need to trade, because I'm expecting a closing in this range and that this is a no trading zone for this week. So do consider this and do check whether these levels are gets breached in this level in this week or not. Also, if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.